You have to try these viral baked yogurt toasts. They are healthy, delicious, and have changed my breakfast since I first tried it. It's so easy to make, and the custard yogurt just makes it so yummy. In a bowl, just add 1 egg for 2 breads, and to that, add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or any yogurt that's very thick. Give it a very good mix, and it will look something like this. Take bread of your choice and using the back of the spoon, create some dents in the center of the bread. Be careful and do not tear the bread. The mixture goes in, and using the back of a spoon, just level it. Now put berries or any fruit of your choice. I like to use raspberries and blueberries. This is ready to go in the oven in 400 degrees just for 10 minutes. And they are ready. Now you can use honey, maple syrup, or any sweetener of your choice, and they are ready. It's just such a quick and simple breakfast, and you can make as many in the oven for everyone in the family. Thank you.